In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to walk you through the process step by step. Let's get started by opening up your Instagram app. Look for and tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of your screen. As you can observe, your profile should currently display a professional dashboard. To deactivate this, let's proceed by tapping the three horizontal lines positioned at the upper right corner of the screen. From there, locate and select Settings at the very top within the Settings and Privacy section. Within this menu, you'll find four distinct options related to professional features. One of these is Creator Tools and Controls, which is exclusively visible when using a professional account. Go ahead and enter this section. As you scroll down towards the lower part of the page, you'll come across an option labeled Switch Account Type. Give this option a tap. Doing so will present you with the choice to switch back to a personal account. Select this option, and your account will be transformed back into a personal one. This action effectively turns off the professional or business creator account that you had previously set up. Once you've completed these steps, you can go back and refresh your profile page. You'll notice that the professional designation has been removed, and your account has successfully reverted to a personal profile. If you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please leave a comment below, and we'll be happy to help.